Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to add text in PowerPoint picture in mobile. So let's begin. As you can see, I have a PowerPoint slide right over here. Now I will add a picture in this slide. So I will select the picture icon from here. I have imported the picture in my slide. So I will now make my picture a little bigger. And as you can see, now it's covering up my slide and it's covering up my text as well. And if you don't want the picture to cover up your text, you can select the layer icon over here, and then as my picture is selected, I will select send backward, and I will have to select send backward again. And after sending it backward twice, now it's behind my text. So as you can see, my text is now over my image. So that's how you can add text in PowerPoint picture using your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, guys, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.